This is Microsoft PowerPoint 2016, Lesson 6, Using Charts in a Presentation. The objectives for this lesson are to create a chart, import a chart, change the chart type, add legends to charts, and create and modify chart styles. So let's go ahead and get started with building charts. So just like Excel, we can put charts into our PowerPoint, and that makes them even more powerful for people to be able to see and view. So charts are visual representations of numerical data. Chart features such as columns, bars, lines, or pie slices make it easier to understand trends or compare values. Once you've created a chart in PowerPoint, you can easily modify the data on which the chart is based. Choose a different type of chart to display the data, or change the layout of the chart and modify its formats. So let's get started with Insert a Chart. If you haven't yet, go ahead and open the Revenues presentation. I have mine open down here, and go to slide 3. Save it as Revenues Final. And then on slide 3, we're going to click this second icon here, the Insert Chart icon. And we want to insert the 3D cluster column. So this is their 3D cluster column. So I'm going to go ahead and click it and then hit OK. Microsoft PowerPoint window opens on top of the PowerPoint window containing the sample data in which the chart is based. It is very similar to an Excel spreadsheet. Notice the bright blue border that surrounds the data range. This range border is to indicate the data that's being charted. So we're going to take this bottom right-hand corner range, and we're going to slide it over so that only A1 through C5 is selected. Then select column D, right-click, and hit delete to delete column D. Now we can go ahead and type some different numbers into this spreadsheet up here, and they'll automatically change on the chart. So in B1, we're going to type 2014 and hit tab, and then 2015 in C1. Then step 9 shows all the data that you're going to type in starting in cell A2. So spring, 89,000. And I'm just hitting the tab key to go to the next cell. And everything automatically changed down here when we got done doing that. Okay, so I got spring, summer, fall, winter sections down here in my chart. Go ahead and close the worksheet window. So I can close this worksheet window up here, and the chart should appear as shown. Go ahead and save the presentation. You can also import a chart from Excel that's already been made. So go ahead, and we're going to make a new slide in this revenues presentation. So I'm just going to click the new slide button so a new slide appears. Then open the Microsoft Excel beverage file from your data files. So I have that open down here. Beverage file, minimize it. And we're going to select the chart. So I just need the chart. I don't need the spreadsheet over here. So I have the chart selected here. And then hit Control C to copy it to the clipboard. And then go back to your PowerPoint. And then click down here in the placeholder box. And then I'm going to hit Control V. And there it has pasted my chart into my PowerPoint. Click on the slide's title. So up here in the slide's title, and we're going to type beverage cells. Click the text beverage cells in the chart. Okay, so down here, so that it has the handles around it. Click delete. The title over the beverage cells is deleted, and the chart increases in size a little. So I'm just going to hit delete. And you can see my chart. I'm going to go ahead and X out of that format chart area. That deleted, and my chart was made just a little bit bigger. Switch back to Excel and exit the Excel. So we can go ahead and close out this Excel. Go ahead and save the presentation. One last thing we're going to do is resize and move a chart. So go back to slide 3 and select the chart on slide 3. Position the pointer on the lower right corner of the chart's frame so the mouse pointer becomes a double-headed arrow. Drag inward to decrease the size. So here's my double-headed arrow. Decrease the size of the chart to about 2 inches in width. So like this. Okay. Position the pointer anywhere on the chart's frame except on one of the sizing handles. The mouse pointer becomes a 4-headed arrow. And now we're going to drag the chart to go ahead and center it on our page. And so stop when you see that red dotted line. That means you do have it centered. And go ahead and save your presentation. That is the end of this section.